You know that moment when you buy a FirePit grill combo and it looks great online, then you try to actually cook on it and suddenly the grate is awkward, the smoke is in your face, and the whole thing feels like a compromise? Well, that happened to me, and that's exactly why this list matters. I tested these to find the ones that actually work for grilling and for hanging out by the fire, not just one or the other. 6. Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0 with Grill Accessory. The fire pit itself does a really nice job of burning clean and creating that bright, focused flame people love, and when you pair it with the grill accessory, it becomes much more useful than just a pretty backyard fire bowl. It feels like a product made by people who understand the appeal of a fire first, cooking second. Now, when I used it, the heat concentration was honestly impressive. You get that nice, radiant warmth, and with the cast iron grill setup, steaks and burgers can pick up a good sear. The cooking surface is better than I expected for a fire pit that originally built its reputation around being smokeless, and that's where this combo gets interesting. But here's the thing, and I mean this carefully, it's still more of a premium fire pit that can grill than a true grill-first machine. If you want a big, easy cooking zone for a crowd, this can feel a little limited. You're working with a system, not just dumping charcoal and going to town. The accessory also adds to the cost, which is where some people may pause. And because the Bonfire is so focused on airflow and clean burning, you do need to pay attention to how you build your fire if you want consistent cooking heat. It's not difficult, but it is a little more hands-on than casual buyers might expect. I like it a lot for someone who wants a slick-looking fire pit that can absolutely cook when needed. 5. Burch Barrel Grill and Fire Pit Combo. Now this one, the Burch Barrel, has a totally different personality. It feels rugged, old school, and kind of cool in that this thing means business way. I used it as both a grill and a fire pit, and what stood out right away was how portable it is for something that feels this serious. It folds down compactly, sets up fast, and there aren't a bunch of tiny parts to lose, which you know is already a win. The cooking experience is where it really earns respect. You can grill over wood or charcoal, and it gives food that deep, smoky flavor people chase when they say they want real outdoor cooking. The adjustable cooking setup gives you control over heat in a way that feels hands-on and satisfying, almost like you're actually cooking with the fire instead of just near it. At the same time, I'm not going to pretend it's perfect. It's heavy. 25 pounds is not crazy for a durable unit like this, but if you're imagining something you can toss around effortlessly, this is not that. It's the kind of product you carry because you want it, not because it disappears into the trunk like a folding chair. It also asks a little more from the user. You have to be comfortable managing fire and heat, especially if you're using wood instead of charcoal. That can be fun if you enjoy the process, but for some people, it's a bit much, especially on a weeknight when all they want is dinner without a little fire drama. 4. Bali Outdoors Wood-Burning Fire Pit. The Bali fire pit lands in that nice middle zone where it looks simple, works well, and doesn't try too hard. I like that it's approachable. The removable cooking grill makes it easy to shift between fire pit mode and cookout mode, and that flexibility is what makes it appealing to a lot of backyard users. In testing, the heat output felt solid, and it did a good job holding a real wood fire without feeling flimsy. That matters more than people think because a weak fire pit ruins the whole mood fast. This one gives off a nice traditional fire pit feel, which is great if you want that classic outdoor gathering setup without getting overly technical. The downside is that it stays pretty basic. It doesn't have the refined cooking control of the top picks, and it's not trying to be a premium centerpiece. The grill is useful, but not especially sophisticated, so if you're cooking often, you may start wanting a little more precision and a little less good enough. That said, I do think it hits a sweet spot for casual use. If your goal is backyard burgers, some warm evenings, and an easy wood-burning setup, this one makes a lot of sense. It's the kind of fire pit you can live with and actually use often, which is sometimes more important than flashy features. 3. Breeo X Series with Outpost grilling system. Now we're getting into the serious stuff. The Breeo feels like it was designed by people who actually love open fire cooking because it gives you real control over the cooking height and the fire itself. That adjustability is a huge deal when you're trying to go from sear mode to slow cook mode without turning your steak into a smoke experiment. What I liked most was how flexible it felt. You can lower the grate for hard searing, then raise it when the heat gets aggressive, and that kind of control changes everything. It also helps that the system works with Breeo's Smokeless style FirePit design, so the whole experience feels cleaner and more usable than a basic pit with a grate tossed on top. The cooking results were strong, and the flavor was exactly what you want from live fire grilling. It has that open air, slightly primal feel without turning into a chaotic mess. The food benefits from the fire, but you're still in charge, which is the whole point. My only real hesitation is that this is not the cheapest or simplest option. You're paying for a more thoughtful system, and that means more commitment, more setup, and more investment. If you just want occasional fire pit meals, this may be more machine than you need. But for people who truly care about outdoor cooking, this is one of the best experiences on the list. It feels confident, durable, and purposeful. Honestly, this is where the lineup starts to feel genuinely premium. 2. BioLite Smokeless FirePit Plus. The BioLite is the one that makes you sit up a little and say, okay, now we're talking. It brings a very modern approach to the fire pit grill combo idea, with a design focused on better airflow and less smoke, which makes a huge difference when people are actually sitting around the fire instead of standing upwind like they lost a bet. What stands out is how clean and social it feels to use. The smokeless concept is not just a gimmick here, it really changes the experience. You can enjoy the fire, cook over it, and still have a more comfortable time with guests, which is exactly what most people want from a combo like this. The cooking side also feels flexible enough for real use, and the overall design is easy to appreciate if you care about convenience. It's the kind of product that feels modern without becoming annoying, which is rarer than it should be. There are still trade-offs, though. Anytime you go for a more advanced fire pit design, you're usually paying extra for the technology and the style. And while it's great for smaller or medium-sized gatherings, it still isn't the biggest cooking platform in the world. Even so, I think this one lands near the top because it solves one of the biggest problems with fire pits: smoke. That alone makes it easier to recommend, especially for people who want more comfort and less fuss. Sunnydaze Cosmic Outdoor Fire Pit with Grill Grate. Sunnydaze nails the balance that matters most. It gives you a roomy, practical fire pit with a grill grate that actually makes sense for casual cooking, and the whole setup feels like it was designed for real backyard use, not just product photos. What I liked most is how straightforward it is. It's big enough for a group, the included grate lets you cook burgers, steaks, and more, and the spark screen adds that extra bit of safety people usually appreciate once the fire gets going. It's the kind of setup that makes sense immediately, which sounds simple, but that's a big deal. It also has the kind of classic look that fits just about anywhere. You don't need to be a fire pit expert to enjoy it, and that matters because the best product is often the one people actually use without overthinking. It gives you warmth, cooking space, and that easygoing backyard atmosphere all in one. Now, sure, it's not the most high-tech option here. It doesn't have the premium smoke control of the Breeo or BioLite, and it doesn't have the fancy engineering of the Solo stove. But it wins because it's practical, reliable, and easy to live with. And that's why it takes the top spot for me. It's not trying to impress you with complexity. It just works. And when you want a fire pit grill combo, that's usually what matters most. Outro. That's all for today, folks.